Back to school time. My name is Dustin Roscombe. I am the service support lead for Livewire. Kids are going back to school. There's going to be more foot traffic in the neighborhood. It might be more relaxing for the parents, but it also provides more opportunity for break-ins. Livewire can provide those security and automation solutions for you, train you how to use them, train your children how to use them if they are present. My daughter's 8 years old. She uses it like a pro. It's very simple to use, very user-friendly. They type in their code, they go in the house, lock the door, arm the security system until one of us gets home. We offer security systems. We install the security panel, the installation of the sensors, making sure everyone knows how to use it, the automated door locks, glass break detector. People like vacation modes and things like that. It learns your habits, essentially. It records what you do over a period of time. As you're leaving for your vacation, you start your recording. It just plays back all the things that you were doing while you're in the home normally. So it looks like someone's there the whole time. There's a whole lot of things you can do yourself. You can drive your car, go to the grocery store, rub your belly and pat your head at the same time. You can dig a hole, say hello to a stranger. Security is not one of the things you should be relying on yourself to figure out. It's life safety at the end of the day. If you're interested in security or you're concerned about it and see areas of opportunity that may be beneficial for coverage. So we have this great deal going on lighting right now. We can tie that into security as well. Let us help you out.